Is that cheese on fried rice? Let's wait and see, guys. This one is my very special garlic butter fried rice. The secret to this fried rice is in the way we treat the garlic. We're gonna do garlic two ways in this recipe. It is the easiest fried rice, but there is a little bit of technique here that's going to make your easy fried rice super special, because you know, we all like special. All right, let's make our garlic oil, and that's one of our first garlic techniques. First of all, so I want a little bit of oil. Actually, what I want here is not just a little bit of oil. I'm so used to saying just a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. It is actually about, you know, half a cup of oil here that I want. Then I want to go in with my garlic slices, finely sliced. And with garlic oil, you've really got to kind of hover. You've got to be like the helicopter parent. Don't go away and check your Instagram feed. That garlic can burn really easily. Just watch it, allow it to bubble a little and get nice and golden at the edges. Okay, this garlic's starting to look good, and it will continue cooking in the bowl. So that's why you need to be really vigilant and take it out just as it starts to go golden, and then pour it out and let it continue on developing its beautiful golden color in the bowl. One more thing to do before we get started cooking our fried rice, and that is just get our eggs ready. So I want 3 eggs for this one. This is like a, you know, it's eggy, it's garlicky, it's buttery. These are all the things that we're going for with this dish. So 3 eggs. Now what we need here, and I won't make the same mistake as earlier, is a lot of butter. Not a little bit of butter. We're making a garlic butter fried rice, guys. Embrace the butter, be one with the butter. Let's get the butter in the pan, and I'm using an unsalted butter. This is one of my little tips for what kind of butter you should keep in your kitchen. Always unsalted for me, because you can add the salt in, but you can't take it out. So much easier to control the seasoning. And when the butter is foaming, now you want to add in your finely chopped garlic. And just give that garlic and that butter a minute or so to make really good friends in there. Oh, the smell of garlic and butter. So good. Okay, now we're going to go in with our rice. Now, this is day-old rice, just like any good Asian. I always make too much rice so that I have rice for fried rice in my fridge all the time. There is a video on my channel about how to make rice, especially for fried rice, if you are interested. Anyway, so in goes my rice. Toss that around in that garlicky, buttery stuff. And add in your soy sauce. And here's one of my other little tricks that I got from my mum, who's Thai and obviously made a lot of fried rice when I was growing up. A little dash of sugar. Look, I know it's not PC to be adding sugar to things these days, but this is going to like just help to caramelize and give a really balanced kind of flavor to the whole dish. So there you go. Now, get that all mixed through so that rice is looking really beautifully coated and evenly colored. And then move everything over to the side. And look, you could make your omelette like separately if you want at the beginning, but you know, sometimes it's just easier. And then pour your egg in the empty side. Now just let that set and then mix it through. Flip it over before, kind of break it up a bit. Now to start flipping that egg through the rice. Oh, that is looking so golden and delicious, and that garlicky butter smell is still making me really hungry. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some spring onion. Okay, this is good to go. Oh, that is looking so lush. And now, guys, here comes the crazy. Feel free to get at me in the comments down below, but once you try this, you will seriously not go back. All right, Parmesan cheese is going on the fried rice. This is not a hoax, people. And the garlic, the butter, the cheese, look, it all works. And then some of those amazing golden little garlic chips, we want some of those as well. Drizzle with a little bit of oil. Maybe a little extra cheese. And there you go, guys. Garlic butter fried rice, cheesy as well. I know, I'm crazy, but let's get in here and let me just tell you what it's all about. I mean, kudos to the people that invented Parmesan cheese, but wow, holy smokes, that combination, the butter, the garlic, that little hint of the salty soy sauce, and then that Parmesan cheese making everything even more special. Wow, so good. Try it, guys, you'll love it.